Hey friends, after the reappearance, Kim Jong-un must be laughing these days on the impatient Western media. Suddenly, all the rumors about his early death are died down. It is well known now that he is not dead yet. So these days, he must be reading articles written upon his presumed death and watching media reports on his iPad, where journalists are discussing different names as his possible replacement. Don't you think that he outsmarted Western media pundits and almost made them a great fool? Now he knows very well home Western countries will try to put in his place if he dies early. Perhaps Western media acted too early and in an irresponsible manner. After all, the only fact is that in all this episode he was not seen between 11 April and 2nd of May. He could be simply unwell or living in quarantine upon the advice of his doctors. Considering him dead was really a far-fetched idea. First of all, what good is it to expect that after the death of Kim Jong-un, nukes of North Korea will be in safe hands and the world suddenly would become a safer place to live? As it happens in any country, North Korean Supreme Leader spearheads a system. He is the face of the nation. Maybe it looks as if it is only him who calls the shots and makes all necessary decisions, but do remember that this is the way system is designed to look like. In decision-making process, military and other institutions must be giving their input. After all, the press is not the only way to give the input or take part in decision-making process. True, North Korea's secretive regime and most of the things stay hidden over there. Recently, they successfully showed that if they are determined to keep things secret, they are fully capable to do so. Their system is designed in this way. Drama after his disappearance from the public also shows one more thing. And it is that if North Korea is determined to keep things secret, it is able to do so. Just imagine the degree of surveillance upon Kim Jong-un. Apart from the network of spies, his movements are continuously monitored by the satellites. Flood of incoming pictures continues to show his whereabouts on regular basis. But yet, no one was able to know where was he hiding or if he was really sick. If we look at it from another angle, then we see that although he is just 36 years old, but still he managed to deal with Donald Trump. From the exchange of derogatory words to the handshakes between the two, Singapore and Hanoi summits as well, Kim Jong-un appears as the net winner. After all, he has been dealing with Donald Trump, the most powerful person on the planet Earth. This makes Kim as one of the most important persons in the world as well. He dealt with Donald Trump, who is known to be a deal maker, and yet he managed that Trump could not make a deal with him. From North Korean perspective, no deal was a success. In fact, there is not a slightest change on the part of North Korea after the failed diplomacy between North Korea and the United States. No doubt that North Korea poses a great threat to the security of the world. This little country has too many nukes, missiles and weapons of mass destruction, but it also means that the United States has to be innovative and creative while dealing with this little rocket man. Until now, he has shown that he is smart enough to deal with the West. How the West and the United States deal with this nuisance in the future, this is yet to be seen. If you like the video, do give a thumb up. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Until then, take care.